Hello everybody and welcome to this quick tutorial where I show you how to draw very basic flames, the cool ones that everybody seems to have like on car decals, tattoos, etc. So these are really cool kind of nice way of drawing fire in a cartoonish way, and it's actually quite simple. So I'll show you some basic tricks, like formula, if you will, for how to get these done. And hopefully it'll be helpful for you and you can then recreate it however you would like in whatever kind of picture that you're making. So let's get started. Okay, so to draw flames, they actually follow a very simple formula. So I'm going to make them pretty big on my page, and I'm just going to start anywhere, and I'll show you how to start anywhere. You could really make them grow bigger to whatever size that you need. So what makes those flames look so cool is that their curves almost always look the same. So what I mean by that is it's kind of like a circle, not an oval. So imagine like a half circle all the time. So I'm going to do a curve and then follow up and let that point. Now I'm going to dip back in, let it end like a half a circle, and then do the same thing and let it point upwards like that. And then go back in and do the same thing. Okay, seems simple enough to start. So just create curves and points. Now I'm almost ready to start working on the other side of that, and I want to show you real quick. So let me finish off this side first. I'm going to go in. Okay, so I'm going to let this curve go in like that, and then again a curve half circle, and then back up. Let me finish that off. Now again, curve and going down. Now, as this goes down, I'm gonna once again make a bigger one. So as they go up, they get smaller. So when they go down, they start bigger. So the basic structure of it is gonna get bigger and bigger. So a half circle here. Then I'm gonna make a small one again. Again, you see what I mean? All of these curves have the same kind of curve, like roundness to them. It just different sizes. Okay. And I'm just going to let this one end like that. Okay, so you could have like a fire, like logs here. You could have like, imagine that this is just flames. I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to like have a free floating flame. Wherever it's coming out of, ultimately that will be up to you. And maybe in future, we will have tutorials of how to draw those things. Okay, so I'm just going to finish it off round at the bottom. And then I'm going to start doing the same thing, but on the other side. Point that half circle round that follows the same formula. Let's make this one, next one, bigger. And then this one will fork. What I mean by fork is just like that. Two things coming out. Okay. See again, curve, curve. They're all similar kinds of curves. I'm just teaching my hand how to recreate the same kind of curve, roundness, but in different sizes as it goes up. Okay. I really want my fire to come to a point. Let's go up, and then I want to maybe make it fork over here. If you want to slow this video down and literally just curve by curve follow exactly what I just did, that may be a good idea. And then that'll, again, it'll help train your hand to then be able to recreate whatever size and a general shape width that you need the flames to be. Okay, so I have, this is the basic shape here. Now, because I really want to color my flames in and make them look all cool, the next layer, I'm just going to do like an inner layer of this, but I'm going to do that with color. So I'm going to do red and yellow. Okay, so there you have it. There are the completed flames. I also forgot to mention that you should always, as you're drawing fire, these curves, they always need to be pointing straight up. So assuming there's no wind, fire likes to go straight up. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope that you're able to practice this a little bit more and recreate it and learn something new today. So if you would like to see more content from me, please give me a like and subscribe, and I will be posting more things for you to learn how to draw. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.